Well, I think what we have at hand, shows that when you negotiate, in the condition of economic crisis, it is clear that all the stakeholders are under pressure, legitimately. I've been part of this process for quite some time, as you said. This is the sixth national minimum wage negotiation that we're carrying out in Nigeria. It started in 1981, and then 2000, of course, 2010, 2018. There's one under the military, but in fact, most negotiations have taken place under democracy, because democracy allows for freedom of association, for collective bargaining. So we're also celebrating democratic process in spite of all the tensions. But I want to say that out of this negotiation, this is the one that is taking place under a condition of serious economic crisis. I listened to Ademola when I was on my way, and I think I agree with him. Things are really hard. Inflation rate, is very prohibitive. Himself has become, he's competing with his wife to go to the market. To I think all of us do that now, and I think we are being humbled. Even me too. I know what it takes, to survive. So I understand the concern of my comrades in organized labor, NSCTUC.
But what do you think about this current strike?
Yeah, but you also know that government is also under pressure. There's crisis of revenue of inherited burdens and co. And of course, employers of labor in the private sector, the way to do business, cost of business has also gone up. So you expect it, but there are two options. Either we all add in positions, and in that case, we have contestation that will not lead to results, or when there is a crisis, we need more cooperation and understanding. So my view clear is that, we've not arrived there yet, but the negotiating parties have done very well. The committee was inaugurated January 30th by the Vice President. The most expansive 37-person committee. They've been trading figures. There have been offers. There have been counter offers. You are talking of 60, but where we started from. Even Labour has also come down from its offer. So, but it's not over until it's over. And it can only be over when we return back to negotiating table. I thought this strike was avoidable, was preventable, if we have strengthened communication. But this is the time for statesmanship. And I'm happy that the Parliament intervened yesterday, the Senate President as well as the Speaker, because in any case, nothing will be passed until it becomes an act of Parliament. So, in fact, the National Assembly also has the power of oversight to find out what is going on in negotiation, and they also have the power to make the law. So I'm happy they've intervened now. And I have no doubt that my comrades, one of them is, and I'm still part of you, must return back to negotiating table.